morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. So listen, if you're new here, yes. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never, ever miss out on a video. Oh, look, I didn't think I was going to get a bonus this weekend. I kept checking Ibotta. I was checking all morning. And I was like, okay, Ibotta, I see you. You tripping. You really tripping. And then I figured, okay, maybe it's because we got the larger bonus. Maybe that's why. They like, okay, we already giving you $10. Like, dang, what you want? And so I happened to check it again. It didn't pop up till 11 o'clock, you guys. 11. And so I need 18 offers for $5. I don't know if that's going to happen, y'all. But I do have the larger bonus. The, what is it called? Field Goal Fortune bonus. And for that, I only need like 6 more offers. So even if I can't get the 18 for the weekend, I'm definitely going to get the 6 I need for the larger bonus, which is cool. So I'll be getting back $10. It's Friday the 13th, you guys. Friday the 13th. Anyways, now with Walmart rewards, I had a contact support. I did, was that yesterday? Yeah, via chat. Useless. And then I contacted them again this morning. Useless. And so I ended up calling customer support. And it was useless too. Let me just say that. And I feel like that's probably why most people don't use Walmart rewards, is because of times that it won't work. But I will assure you that it does work more often than it doesn't. All right. I can say that there's been a handful of times that it hasn't worked. Like, yeah. All right. But I'll tell you this. Like, going forward, if it doesn't hit my account by the time I get out of the store to my car, it's going back to the store bag. Like, I might have been joking, because going back and forth with customer service is just useless. It's just useless. They don't know nothing. They don't know nada. And so that's kind of how I am with Walmart rewards. Other than that, what else? I think that's basically it, you guys. We're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Taco Bell dips. I saw Sister Saving You Cents post this over on Instagram. We have offers on Shopkick for each of the flavors. They're priced at $4.18. And you're getting back 725 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.90, making these only $128 each. And so I went ahead and grabbed one of each flavor. All right, so this next deal is on the Smart Tarts, the Mega Rope. Now, only one of my store carries these, and the offer on Shopkick, you may need to change your location to see if it's, because it's only at certain locations. And so if you want to change your location, basically you just click on the store, and then you click other locations, and you can change it and see what store it's available at. That's what I had to do. And so the store that I went to is the only one that carries these in my area. I couldn't find them anywhere at the checkout or the aisle. They're priced at $157, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, 80 cents on Shopkick, bringing them down to only 27 cents. All right. So next up is the Bush's Best Sidekicks, priced at $162, getting back 77 cents on Ibotta. It's going to bring that down to only 85 cents with the limit of 5. So look, I didn't mention this in my last video because I don't have the offer and I was being a little salty. It's on the Miss Vicky's. I think these are like kettle cooked type of chips. Anyways, they're priced at $3.98. There's an offer. Well, I don't have the offer. So again, I'm salty. But there's an offer on Fetch Reward for 1,000 points back for every dollar. So it makes them absolutely free. It makes them free. So it makes them absolutely free. And the limit on that is a limit of 3. And I was really hoping I would have this. I mean, I have an offer, but it's literally like 60 cents for one bag. And so, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal again on the Busy Bones, priced at $4.98. Now I don't have the offer on Checkout 51 anymore because I already did it. So I'll be paying the $4.98, getting back $2 on Ibotta as well as inbox dollars, bringing that down to only 98 cents. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Ajax. The 28-ounce bottles priced at $2.74. We have an offer on Ibotta for $1, making that $1.74. Now this store doesn't carry the smaller bottles. They're priced at $1.24, and for that one we have a 50-cent offer on Ibotta. It makes that 74 cents. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer scent boosters. It just popped up on Ibotta this morning, but for some reason for me, none of them are scanning for me. All right, I've even verified the item. It says the item doesn't qualify, even though it says 24 ounce. So I guess proceed with this deal with caution. I'm not going to do it because it's not going to count towards a bonus, and I'll have to put a ticket in, and I'm not trying to do all that. And so if you want to grab it, you'll end up paying $5.44, and you'll get back $4 on Ibotta, hopefully, making that $1.44. You see what I see, or you see what I don't see? This deal is on the Airwick. This deal was done. It did reset for me though, so I did do another set on Ibotta. I grabbed one of them. I paid $3.98, and then I got back $4 on Ibotta, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. Limit was 3, so I went ahead and grabbed 3. You could either get the advanced one, single count, or you can get the 2 count. I guess it would be right here. They don't have any, and so. Yeah, this next deal is on the Attention Grace pads. It's a 14 count, priced at $7.98. We're going to grab one of them, getting back $4 on Ibotta. We'll also get back $4 through Aisles, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. All right, and last but not least, I forgot to record this in store, is on the Old Spice. These are the trial size ones, priced at $1.54. It is working for the $2 offer on Ibotta, making them a 46-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2. And so other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. So here is my complete haul for today. Please excuse my little creation over here to the left playing this game. So I apologize for all the clicking. So listen, this worked out good. I was really hoping I was gonna find the sweet tarts though, but I looked everywhere, y'all. I could not find them, and I was gonna grab 4 of those, but since I couldn't find those, I was still coming up short, and so I figured I'd go ahead and just grab, 5 of the bushes. I hope those are good because I literally got the same kind. I'm gonna try them tonight for dinner and see if they're any good. I hope they are. If not, they're gonna be in a donation box. I did go to Food for Less and grab the Hubba Bubba. I have an offer on Fetch for 90 cents. I could not find these at Walmart. They had the larger containers, and so I went ahead and grabbed these there. They were $1.19. Got back 90 cents. I think it made those like 29 cents, I want to say. And I did not mention the GoMacro. That was from Target. It's a sample deal, and this is the second time I've done this. And so I went ahead and grabbed it again. Now, this glitched last time I got it for Ibotta as well. And so I got back $5 for that, which was good because it counted for 5 different offers. And so it basically made that a $5 moneymaker, all right? I paid $9.29, got that back through sample. Well, no, it's still processing. And then got back 5 on Ibotta, so that was cool. I wasn't gonna get 3 of the dips, but I figured why not? That receipt went through perfectly fine on Shopkick. And yeah, the Busy Bone is still processing on inbox dollars. And yeah, that pretty much covers it. The Attention Grace, I don't think that went through yet. That was an Aisles offer. All right, and so we're gonna keep this brief. Everything you see here retails $62.22. This is $2.46 in sales tax. I walk away with $46.35 from Ibotta, $9.29 from Sample, $8.86 from Shopkick, $4 from Aisles, $2.76 from Fetch Reward, and last but not least, $2 from Inbox Dollars. So we have a total of $73.26 back in offers.
Making everything you see here free plus a $10.54 moneymaker. After tax, we still clear $8, which is really awesome. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you make it to the end, do we have an emoji for today, Bug? Baseball cap, because you lost yours at school.
What?
I said a baseball cap since you lost yours at school this week. And yeah, so if you get to the end of the video, we want to see just a hat, okay? Any kind of hat in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.